Hey, I'm Scott. As you accumulate toys, you need a place to keep them safe. You can build things, but the ultimate way to keep your things safe, protected from the elements and protect your investment, is to get you a good garage. So, going online, first priority for me personally, me and my wife, is price. But we don't want to sacrifice price for quality. So my wife taught me to check reviews. And Allen's Factory had excellent reviews. And a super plus on this was the customization. They let you customize your garage. Not only customize where you want your doors and windows, but they let you pick out the colors. And I'm kind of a artsy, eccentric person, so color mattered. And being in the forest, I liked the brown with a touch of green, just like the pine trees. I'm confident with the ceiling. All steel ceiling is perfect. The roll-up doors work nicely. They're spring-loaded, so they don't catch and fly up in the air, but they lightly go up. I don't have to lift them. If my wife's ever here, she doesn't have to lift the garage doors. Like I said earlier, given the horizontal perspective, on the paperwork, I believe that is the front of the garage. But like I said, you can design it however you want. This is my front, obviously, but doing it this way, as you can see inside here, this leaves me a whole bay of workspace, basically. So I have my small implement there, my larger implement, and then this is my workspace.